We had Bitcoin drop down to 25,800 and it got bought up. This wick got bought up and we're back up to 26,700. So the big question is to see, obviously there were buy orders in here. People did buy it up, but I think we're going to come into this support level. I think right around here, the 24,000 area is going to be the place to watch. If we can get a bottom here, a strong bounce, then we could start heading back up. But if we come down and it's weak, we could roll over, break this trend line, and come down to the 20,000. Be short at 21 cents. I'm going to take profit down 18 cents. Looking at it on the 4-hour chart, we got rejected in this resistance zone. Came down, got a lower low, and now we're getting a lower high in the resistance zone. So there's a good chance we're going to head down, depending on what Bitcoin does. And that's it for Woo right now. Okay, here's the VRA on the daily. I shorted at 0.0046. And we're going to take profit at 0.0041 for about a 10% profit. So it's kind of just bouncing in between the support and resistance zone. Zoom into the 4-hour chart. You can see that we keep getting rejected. We got a double top here and we're coming down. So again, with whatever Bitcoin's doing, it'll determine the altcoin's direction. So right here, there's probably a good chance we'll come back down to here and maybe break lower. I might take profit here if it starts to get close for about 8% profit. And you can see on the daily chart better this wick, the shooting star. So it looks like it's coming down, keeps getting rejected. It's VRA on the daily. Over to H bar. Okay, you can see clearly here on the daily chart that H bar is below this heavy support level, and now it's acting as resistance. A lot of red, and we don't have a real good base until down around this area. So we shorted at 0.052, and the take profit is 0.044. That would give us a 15% profit. I can't see it bouncing from here. You can see it coming down to the support and then bouncing back up to the trend line. So we're just going to leave this short and let it go. If it did bounce up to this resistance level, I'd probably put another short in. Here's SNX on the daily. This is another good short. It's below the support level. Broke down below the support level, bounced up, got rejected. Now we're getting another red candle. And there isn't really a support level. I guess there's a little one through here. In the mid level that we're sitting on now, but it looks like we're going red and gonna break it. Profit would be about 30% if we got down there, down to $1.51. Just looking at the chart though, this could be the bottom where it's at right now, unless Bitcoin started to break down again. So that's SNX. Okay, here's CTSI. We're in between two strong support and resistance zones. We got rejected at this resistance zone. We're coming down. We touch the midline, bounce, and we'll probably keep coming down to our take profit area, which would give us 18% profit. So we bought the short at 17 cents. Take profit is at 14. Over to Zilliqa. We short at 0.023. Take profit is at 0.021, which would give us about 9%. I already shorted these, that's why they're kind of in the middle. Since Bitcoin broke its pattern, I put in more shorts, planning on all the altcoins to go right to the bottom of their next support levels, which I still think they will, or at least a bit more, at least back down to these wicks. Even that would give us almost 6%. So we're getting close to these support levels that I'll be taking profit. Probably give it till Monday. Not too much will happen during the weekend. Our last one is Matic. It has broken its trend line and we're heading down to support. Shorted at 88 cents. Take profit is at 75 cents. So far we're up about 4%. Down to the bottom would be about 15% move. So we'll just wait for that one to play out. And SXP. Once I saw this shooting star, long wick, I put in a short here at 43 cents. Take profits at 35 cents. and there's no real support until down at our take profit area. And look at this long green candles on this massive run. There's a good chance we'll come back to this level before it gets moving up again. So we're just gonna wait until our alerts let us know it's going down again, and we'll decide where we take profit, whether at this level or maybe a bit earlier, depending on what Bitcoin's doing. So here's Kava on the daily chart. We put in a short here at 93 cents, take profits at 82 cents. That would give us 12% profit. So we're at the midline. It had a good little run. Once it hit this support level at 66 cents, it bounced pretty hard. So with Bitcoin coming down, I think it's gonna be tough for it to get up to this next resistance zone at $1.08. So there's a good chance we'll get rejected down to this support level. And like I've got written here, if it does break up and retest, then I will close this short out and put in a long, and then we'll short up here. Go to the pinned comment, the top of the comments, and you can see my Telegram channel. And over there, I've got daily setups, and there's a lot more information over there.